Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up QuickBooks. First, select the QuickBooks version that best suits your business, whether it's online, desktop, or self-employed. Next, create your company file and accurately enter your business information, including your legal name and tax ID. Finally, connect your bank and credit card accounts to enable automatic transaction downloads, saving you significant time on data entry. This foundational setup is crucial for accurate financial tracking. Now, let's organize your financial categories. Customize your chart of accounts to accurately track all income and expenses, ensuring your financial statements are clear. Then, add all the products and services your business sells, including their descriptions and pricing. If your business collects sales tax, configure the appropriate sales tax rates and agencies. This step is vital for proper financial reporting and compliance. Next, populate your customer and vendor lists, ensuring all contact information is accurate for invoicing and payments. It's crucial to enter your opening balances for bank accounts, loans, and other assets to ensure your books start correctly. Finally, take time to review and adjust your QuickBooks preferences and settings. This customization helps streamline your daily operations and improves efficiency. With your setup complete, begin recording daily transactions like invoices, bills, and customer payments. Regularly generate essential financial reports, such as profit and loss statements and balance sheets, to gain valuable insights into your business's performance. These reports are crucial for making informed decisions. Also, for an enhanced reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.